Like the good old days of the 1960s and 70s, so went the plaid pants and butterfly collar shirts that Dick Vitale wore to fit in with the styling trends. Vitale wasn't as focused on style as much as he was at fulfilling his dream of graduating with his master's degree in order to become a teacher and, more importantly, become a basketball coach. What was a Dick Vitale player?
I liked a guy that was quick, versatile, could play a number of positions. I used to like that 6'3", 6'4", 6'5" guy that could run the court.
After coaching 9 years at the high school level, Vitale became a sought-after assistant in 1973 when he helped bolster the Rutgers Scarlet Knights program. The next opportunity, he became the head coach of the University of Detroit, where his most decorated season came in 1977 when he led the Titans on a 21-game win streak, which included a monumental victory when the Titans beat the eventual national champion Marquette, a game Vitale promised a victory dance if they won.
Well, cheerleaders come running over to me. I'm being interviewed in a local back in Detroit on the news. Come on, you got to dance, man. And I go to center court. It became part of the news. When the news would come on in Detroit for months after, the dance would be part of the entry to the news.
The now Hall of Famer wasn't only focused on winning basketball games, but also winning with his players on the game of life.
I would start, Antoine, every practice session, sitting the players down and talking not about basketball, about life skills, about decision making, about choices, about motivation.
As a matter of fact, Vitale was quite emotional when he recently received such kind words from one of his former players, University of Detroit Hall of Famer and 11-time NBA player Terry Tyler.
Talked about all the things that he watches me on TV share with people. He said, I had that every day from him. And he said that it choked me up, really, reading his quotes, because you don't realize, as a coach, I used to take that title so seriously because to me, as a coach, you had such an influence on kids' lives.